Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to the trendy dancehall. You see me? So we're gonna talk about what the description of the video you say. But naturally, before we do so, please subscribe if you're new. You see me? Intense trick the crowd, people. And watch out, HOTFRASS and this other artist named Flyght, Blugo, catch up in a one fight. So we're gonna talk about the whole of that. Alright, so firstly, me really want to adjust the situation. So, we see a picture go around with INTENCE. You see it collage in a two. One when he made black and one when he made white. You see me, people? So, me I think to myself and I say, but wait there. Last time I see INTENCE on an interview, you know what him say? Him say him no bleach. A house color do this, stay in a AC and them something there. So you gotta tell me say, you so black dog and get so prone just by staying. Yo, me rate your dog. So me I go show you the picture when him black out and thing. You see me? Yeah man, I eat these people. As you can see, I him that it can't hide. You see me? But me rate him. Why? Listen to this.
I don't bleaching this still. You see it? I'm not bleaching. It's a those AC done LockUp and sun jump out at night. I'm not bleaching this. I'm always using a bleaching product still. I use soap on them.
You can't trick me INTENCE. Me not care who you want to tell that right now. You see me, people? Subscribe and like if you believe me say a cream me my use. You see me? But anyways, you know what I kind of rate him for? You can't make them two know you like that. You can't give them so much truth. You get me? People, if you listen to me, I saw it go. You can't make people know you better than how you know yourself. Yeah, you have to keep it rolling like a dice. Them don't know what's next. Alright, man. I saw me know INTENCE rate alkaline or whosoever artist him rate, them have style. Come see my work with pattern. Said we, you see me? Keep up a good work, you know, INTENCE. When I have nothing against you saying you're not bleed. Yeah man, people, so I'm open to continue still. I watch the video here, the vlog here right now because watch a HOTFRASS. You see me? And this artist I'm gonna know from Adam, see me Flight, Blugo. At first me I see him. Watch you know, me have one video with them a fight people, you see me? But you see right there so at the bar spot there, when I go see at this so you see me people. When I go see right at the same spot. Me don't know the artist here, but me know say him and HOTFRASS have a beef. Somewhere them say Portmore. You see me, I wake up and I see this big fighting video in front of my face. Me I wonder how they like this, what this for. So me I look, me I see them. You see me? A matter of fact, me I make you see the video for yourself. So you can see what I go on. You see me? Yeah, so as you can see people, a HOTFRASS that and the dog and at the same spot to the bar section as you can see, you see me? I don't know the artist there, but I think I did hear a song from him or him come from Magnum or something, but oh, in the world HOTFRASS we make put himself in a position for a fight with some man where they ever there on him level. Cause HOTFRASS when I put him on a big level, but him can do a thing for himself and you see it. Redeem something from the people them cause him not that hated, you see me? Girl left from Polo. You see me? All know you can't do nothing for yourself. You need to go all a sit dog. Work on a big song dog and stop idle, you see me? People like, subscribe and share that.